Are you having problems that your TCL Google TV that it keeps logging you out and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had a lot of problems with this before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So there's going to be two ways to fix this problem, just so you know. And the first thing we need to do is to go into settings. So settings is going to be right here, as you can see, and then you're going to just click on the OK button on your remote. And you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, we're just going to scroll down until you can see System, and then click on OK on your remote here. And then what you're going to do on this page is to scroll down and click on About here. And then you're going to click on Software Update here, as you can see. And then if you don't have the Auto Update option on, a lot of you will probably have this one on, to be honest, but what you can also do is to enable this one if you haven't enabled it, but you can also scroll down and click on Network Update, then click on System Update right here. It's very important. And then it's just going to load, and you're going to see if you have any kind of updates. So as you can see, for me it says no need to update, my software is already up to date. So this actually fixed it for me. I had to update to a complete new version, and then it was done. But if it still is not working for you for some reason, well then don't worry. We need to go back to the settings page right here. So go back to the main settings page and scroll down and click on Network and Internet. So now click on OK on your remote, and you should now be taken here. So make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, or if you're using via a cable, that is also fine, of course, but you need to be able to be connected. So now when you're connected, you can scroll down here and check the network. So click on OK on your remote here. Now we can scroll down and see the signal strength in here. For me, it says excellent. If it's poor for you, well, that is probably the reason why you keep getting logged out, because your Wi-Fi is just not as good, or not good, unfortunately, and it basically keeps interrupting maybe, and that's why you keep getting logged out. That is also a very common issue, just so you know. So check this, and hopefully you will be able to fix it as well.